Hagabay Bakajing Strike Kali Kamai Balakhat Prolong the Kamegalaya Joint Action Committee of Commercial Vehicles, the Nega MJACCV, the District Commissioner Joka East Khasias District, Kong Isa Wanda Lalu, Habai Kremikla Pathai Kubar, Kalaong Bakadab Yakandu, Yaknika Kinhun, Banyakran Sani Baha, Halor Kanika Benta, Barkilaban Baha, Halor Kajimpan Kiu Yakabai Kali, Hadian Gajinkmi Binya Bahai Kajindawa Jonkanika Senkinonya Kali, Kabor District, Kansapa Chakasor Karjala, Naga Benta Kajimunjur Jonka.
So we had a meeting today along with various taxi associations to discuss the issue of the current strike which is underway, and the limited point of focus is also the request for a possible increase in the taxi fares. So this was what we wanted to discuss with at length, and we had the district transport officer, the superintendent of police, who is also present, and based on this we decided to share with them, because it seems that many of them were not yet aware that the government had last year in the month of January 2020 had already come out with the revised notification, and the fare structure as per this notification was not known to many of them when government had declared that the original seating capacity will be re-permitted. So accordingly we shared this with them so that they can have a look at it, they can sit on it, they can think about any possible improvement or increase which they would like. And so for this they are sitting right now as we speak with the district transport officer, and if there is any reasonable request which is fully justified and which we can consider to be important to take up at this point, we will forward the same to government for necessary approval. The issue regarding the rise of fuel has already been taken up by the government, and if there's any further request on that, I believe that the government will take it up in due course of time. The limited topic of today's discussion was the revised fare structure which they were requesting, and we said that this will also have to be closely considered. We cannot come up with new rates immediately, but this will also be closely considered and it will be forwarded to government. It has to be mutually acceptable by everyone. We don't want that they will, of course, they will lose out, they will face huge losses, but at the same time it should not be a burden on the general public. It should be acceptable by everyone concerned so that it is a win-win for everyone. So this was the point which we discussed, and we hope that the meeting with DTO will also be fruitful.